Hello, everybody. Rob here, and thank you for getting the list building secrets guide video guide. This video course and associated guides and stuff is going to walk you through the process of setting up an email list, an email marketing campaign for residual income. All right. Uh, Basically, and we're going to do it in a way that does not require Google, does not require keyword research, and only requires just a little bit of niche research. All right. The rest of it is just making the content, setting everything up, and then driving traffic. And the beautiful thing about the driving traffic part is we're going to do it in such a way that we never again have to rely on Google. There's obviously some things that we can do to get listed in the Google, and that is helpful, but that's not going to be the main focus of our website. All right. Anything that we do to get listed into Google is basically via article marketing and that sort of automated traffic. But everything else is going to be so unique that you will never have to rely on Google for a source of income. They say that your list should be able to feed you. If you have a list of 2,000 people, you should make $2,000 a month. Every subscriber should be worth $2, okay? So that means that in order to successfully set up a residual income is that you need a couple things you need to be able to sell. And so what we're going to do is the first step, of course, is to pick some products. And it's all going to be in the same niche, and it'll be, kind of niche oriented. And what we'll do is we're going to rotate. Once we get everything set up, we're going to rotate between good content, and that's up here in the content part. We'll rotate between promotions and good content and broadcast messages. And what we will do, this whole method will make you an easy money without ever having to think about Google at all. And as I said, when you write your articles, you can think about Google a little bit, but if Google decides to slap those articles, you still have a list. If Google decides to trash your website, you still have your list. You will never run out of money making potential as long as you have your list. So that's kind of the vital secret. So in the next video, I'm going to talk about how to pick a product, and we're going to go through the process of setting up a squeeze page and doing all that. And the reason I'm teaching you guys to do this because I know there's a lot of newbies. Now I know there's a lot of you who already have a list. That's fine. You can skip over all of this and go straight into the traffic module. I've got a video and a guide that you can use and some other stuff. But the rest of this is for newbies who have never set up a list before. This will take you through the process. It'll be dead simple. And within a few days, you'll be able to start promoting things for free and without relying on Google. Okay, so this is Rob. I will catch you in the next video.